a red orange glow. You see the face of fear, running scared in the valley below. Up to me, his face red like a rose on a thorn bush, with all the colors of a royal blush, and he's peeling off those dollar bills, slapping them down. 100, 200, and I can see those fighter planes, and I can see those fighter planes across the mud huts the children sleep, and through the alleys of a quiet city streets. You take the staircase to the first floor. You turn the key and slowly unlock the door. A man breathes into a saxophone.